Good day, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, our main focus will be on partial variation. Now, let's use one. I'm going to use one example to explain what partial variation is all about. And the first one says R is partly constant and partly varies with E. That means it therefore means that R equals to C plus K E. Is partly constant and partly varies with E. So this, from the first statement, this is what we are going to have. So now, in this case now, R equals to C plus K E. And let's continue the equation. It says, when R is equals to 530. So now, R equals to 530. Okay. E equals to 1,600. So C plus K E is 1,600. Okay, the next one we have, and when R is 730, so 730 equals to C plus K. Now the E in this case is 3,600. So the first question is find the formula which connects R and E. We're going to find a formula that connects R and E. So I can rewrite this as 530 equals to C plus 1,600K as equation 1. So the next one we have 730 equals to C plus 3,600K. I can call that equation 2. So in this case now, I am going to subtract equation 1 from 2. So subtract equation 1 from 2. So that means 730 minus 530. So that will give us 200. That's 200. So now, in this case now, C minus C is equal to 0. All right. So we have 3,600 minus 1,600. That will give us 2,000K. So in this case now, I'm going to find K. So I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of K, which is 2,000. So this will give me 2,000K over 2,000 equals to 200 divided by 2,000. So this cancels this. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. So 2 goes into itself, 1. 2 goes into 20, that is 10. So in this case now, the value for K equals to 1 over 10. So now, I need to find C. So now in this case now, I'm going to substitute K into equation 1. Now we have equation 1 says 530 equals to C plus 1,600K. So 530 equals to C plus 1,600 times the K is 1 over 10. 1 over 10. So 0 cancels 0. So 530 equals to C plus 160. So in this case now, 530 minus 160 is equals to C. So now in this case now, C equals to 530 minus 160. So now in this case now, let's solve that here. 530 minus 160. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So we have 13 minus 6 gives us 7. So we have 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So we have 370. 370. So in this case now, the question says find the formula which connects R and E. So now we have R equals to C plus K E. R equals to the C we had is 370 plus the K is 1 over 10. K is 1 over 10, 1 over 10 E. So finally, this is R equals to 370 plus E over 10. So now let's go to the second question. It says, find R when E equals to 1,300. We should find R when E is 1,300. So the B part, R, we already know that R equals to 370 plus E over 10. So R equals to 370. What's the value of E from the question is 1,300 over 10. So 0 cancels 0. So I'll be left with R equals to 370 plus 130. It therefore means that R equals to 370 plus 130 equals to 500. All right, we've come to the end of our lesson on partial variation. I hope you learned a lot. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting mathematics videos. Bye.